So I'm back again with another experiments with AI with your local and friendly L&D pro who's just trying to navigate all this technology. So today, what I want to bring you is a really interesting tool called PO, which apparently PO stands for Platform for Open Exploration. And it's actually a service which is developed by Quora. You know what Quora is? It's that site where you can ask any questions and people can answer them. And what they're trying to do is basically decentralize the ability to build your own chatbots powered by the latest wave of generative AI tools. So you can see here on the left hand side, I've got the ability to use Sage, which is built by Poe, which is a generative AI tool. And it's also powered by OpenAI. So I was wrong. It's powered by OpenAI there, powered by GPT 3.5. And you've also got access to GPT-4 and something which they call Claude as well, which is powered by Anthropic. So that's not what I want to show you. So there's two things I want to show you. One is you have the ability with Poe to create your own bot. And I want to show you how to create that bot. And you also have the opportunity to explore bots that other people have created. So before you can do all of this, you have to sign up and you can get a free account. There is a paid version, which costs about £20 a month, I think, but you don't need that to access the features, which I'm going to show you today. So what we're going to do is create a bot. So you can see here, we got onto this screen after hitting create bot, and we're able to do a number of things. So I'm going to call this my skills coach, and we're going to build this bot to basically help us develop some skills. And then we're going to say your little AI powered friend helping you build awesome skills. Lovely. Right. Wow. No spaces. This is very demanding, friends. Okay, so my skills coach. And then we put the bot description as your little AI powered friend helping you build awesome skills. So what we now want to do here is include the base for our bot. So basically, what is going to power it? What generative AI tool? So in this instance, I want to use ChatGPT. You can use the Claude from Poe or Claude Plus or GPT-4, but just be aware there's limited access for people who aren't subscribing to get the credits. So what we're going to do is use ChatGPT as our base level for this. And then what we're going to do here, so you can see here it says prompt. So all conversations with this bot will start with your prompt. So it won't be visible to the user in the chat, but if you'd like the prompt to be visible to the user, considering using a intro message. So what I'm going to say is my prompt is going to be you are a skills coach. Help me build my actually no, let's do this instead. So help me build my X skills. Then the user can use that. Right, so what we're then going to say is we want to give an intro message for our bot every time somebody comes on. So we'll go on and we'll just say, we'll get the bot to say, hey, how's it going? What can I help you learn today? Awesome. So we'll click create bot. And then voila, in a few moments, we've been able to create our bot. So my skills coach created by me. And you can see everything's there. So what we're going to do is we can see the message saying, hey, how's it going? What can I help you learn today? And then we can just say, hey, I'd like you to help me improve my feedback skills. What's a simple framework I can use? Okay, amazing. So you can see here that it's been able to come back and say this is a framework that you can use, the very popular one that I love, the SBI model, situation, behavior, and impact. And what I've been able to do very quickly, as you've seen in a matter of minutes, is build a very quick conversational bot that I can continue to engage with. Now, look, you could also do this in GPT directly as well. But what this enables you to do is share this bot with other people. So if I want to, I can just select this bot and I can share it with others. I'm also able to browse the library of bots that are available on Poe. So loads of bots that people have created here, which you can look through to help you with loads of different tasks. So hopefully that is of interest, folks. I will leave the link to the Poe website in the comments as well. If you have any questions, do give me a shout, drop me a DM, leave a comment. Please do like and repost this video if you think it's helpful, because it will help other people too. And I will speak to you